Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's recipe is ginger and scallion steamed fish. Mom used to cook this for us growing up, but she would steam the whole fish, head and all. Now it's just too much work, too messy, and you risk on chopping on those pesky Y bones. So we're going to use the same recipe, but with fish fillets. Now steaming fish is quick, easy, it's delicious, and it's super healthy. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, let's take a look at what we need for today. I have 12 ounces of walleye fillet, and I got these from Sam's Club. Kind of comes in a package like this. This is 1.5 pounds for like $14. Okay, you know it's just wild caught, uncooked, individually frozen. And here's tilapia. Sometimes I'll use tilapia. Especially in Minnesota, in the dead of winter, there are no fresh fish. That's probably the only options we have. So, I also have 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of hot water, half a tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. I also have a large chunk of ginger peeled. This is about 1.5 ounces. Just take a spoon and scrape the skin off. And I have several sprigs of green onion. You also need a pan. Could be any pan. Could be china, could be stainless steel, like this one here. This is a 10 inch. You can need like a 10 or 12 inch shallow pan. All right. Let's get prepping. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut slices of ginger and lay that on the bottom of the pan. And then we're gonna put the fillet on top of that. The big reason for the ginger and the onions is to take the fishiness out of the fillets. So, just gonna cut slices, thin slices. And lay that down here, line the bottom. Do a couple more. Now, with the green onions, put that on the bottom. Now the rest, we're gonna sliver that. Now this is gonna go on top of the fish. And this is for later. When I finish cutting up the rest of the ginger, All right, this is gonna go on top of the fish when we're done. And now I'm just gonna salt it a little bit. All right, now we're gonna go and steam it. Oh, I almost forgot. You want to put some ginger slices on top too. Like that. The more you could get on here, the better. All right. All right, I got water in here in the wok. All you need is a little steam rack right here like this. And put that on the bottom. And the water should kind of cover the rack, and maybe a little bit more here. And let it come to boil. Now I'm gonna steam it for about 10 minutes. It depends on the thickness of the fish. If it's thicker, then you wanna go maybe 13 to 15 minutes. But the internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit or about 63 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're gonna set it for 10 minutes and let's check on it. Okay, while that's cooking, let's make the sauce that's gonna go over the fish when it's done. So you're gonna take sugar and hot water, and you're gonna dissolve the sugar. Then you're gonna put the soy sauce in. And the sesame oil. And that's it. I'm gonna wait until the fish is done. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up half a cup of oil, vegetable oil, and then we're gonna drizzle over the fish after we put all the rest of the stuff in there. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check it out. That looks pretty good. Let's turn off the fire. Okay, now you have to get rid of some of the ginger on top. And then the onions on the bottom. And there's any liquid down here, you're gonna pour that out. All right, now you're gonna put ginger, the shredded ginger on top. And the green onion. Okay, now we're gonna heat up the oil. All right. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna drizzle the soy sauce over it. Now the hot oil is gonna go over that. That is it. Okay, let's go sample. All right, check this out. It's flaky, it's moist. Mmm. Now normally you just get a big bowl of steamed rice and pour the sauce over it and have the fish. Look at that. Mmm. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments below. All the direction and what you need is in the description box below. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.